Welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home, and we offer the lowest prices anywhere online. And if you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today will be a comparison between two Rolex Cosmograph Daytona models, the 116500LN, or for the purposes of this video, I'll just refer to it as the Black Daytona, and the 116506, the Platinum Daytona with the ice blue dial. Both watches are very much the same. They both have the same size diameters at 40 millimeters. They have the same functions with the chronograph. I had them running initially. I can still stop them, reset them, and they work just fine. They all have the same bracelet, the Oyster 3-piece style flat links polished down the center, satin brushed on the outer links, polished again along the sides for beautiful sheen. So what exactly is different about these two watches? Well, obviously the color is different. The black does have that more professional, your standard fair look. The black with the chromatic accents really being the style, the modern style for professional looks, while the platinum has a very interesting ice blue with a brown bezel with the brown inner subdials. A very interesting choice of color, but we'll get to that in a moment. So my thoughts personally on these two is that, well, if I'm going out and I had to choose between these two, I would probably choose the black one if my suit, my dress attire is essentially monochromatic and I didn't really want to be too flashy. I just wanted to get my business done, get out nice and easy. I would wear this platinum for a little bit extra because it's not very common that you would see a watch face with this color dial with that sort of sunburst finish, whereas you don't really see it on the black one, if at all. You definitely see it on the platinum. And looking at the color coordination, it's not very conventional, honestly, but we'll get to why this one is unique. So sticking with the bezels, there are only really two ceramic bezels. There's the black one, which is available on just about any Daytona, that has the ceramic bezel. But the platinum is the only Daytona model that has this brown bezel. Very interesting. Also, note that I call this one the platinum, and by its very nature, the platinum does weigh more. This black one is only 65 grams or 2.4 ounces, whereas the platinum is nearly double that weight at 129 grams or about 4.6 ounces, due to the fact that platinum is actually more dense, notably heavier than just about any other metal that comprises the Black Daytona. So altogether, this Platinum Daytona is noticeably heavier. It's not just a matter of, just a couple, like a game of inches or a game of grams. It is noticeably heavier on the wrist. And so be prepared to haul this absolutely beastly watch around if you're prepared for that. The Black Daytona, again, I would say more for everyday wear. Special occasions, the platinum, very beautiful actually, with that ice blue dial, and with that heft, it really takes command of the situation. And there's also one slight aesthetic difference. Right, I'll set down the platinum for now. Now take a look at the lugs on this black one. There's a very nice easy taper toward the bottom, as you can see. But comparing it to that of the platinum, there's a taper with a little flat edge. They basically have a little foot on the very end of each lug. Does that make a difference? Maybe, maybe not. It depends on your wrist because, well, they sort of have slightly different wears based on who's wearing it. So let us know down in the comments which lug you think is a better fit for you. The curved with the foot, flat foot at the bottom, or the curved with the taper at the very end. And that's about it for this comparison. These two watches are very much the same. They have the same just about everything, just color, material, and a very slight aesthetic difference. So, if you learned something from this video, please be sure to hit that like button, smash it 2020 style if that's your thing. Thanks, Peter McKinnon. Also, if you have any thoughts on either of these watches, leave them down in the comments below. I'd like to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this ice blue dial versus this very standard fare but still professional and very stylish black dial? And if you didn't learn anything from this video, you hate me for some reason, hit that dislike button twice, 4 times to really drive it home. And be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification so you get updated when we go live with another video. And as always, if you want to buy either of these or just both of these or any other watch, be sure to visit us at jazztime.com, place your order now, and we'll send it out to you very soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.